Hello there, beautiful people out there. It's me again. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair review on this hair. You guys know that I do new week, new hair. You know, I like to switch my hair up every week, try new styles, try protective styles, try natural hairstyles on my hair and stuff like that. So it's a new week, new hair. So let's talk about this, shall we? So if this is your first time on my channel or it's your first time tuning in, thank you so much. Please feel free to subscribe and hit that bell so that you are notified every time I post a video, or you can tune in every Monday and Thursdays at noon Eastern Standard Time when I post a video on this channel. Alright, so let's talk about my hair, shall we? So I've been loving the blunt cuts for a while. Like, I can't remember the first time I saw it on somebody, but when I saw it, I fell in love. I don't know what it was, because I love bobs. I can do it, but it's not perfect. So when I saw the blunt cut and it was just like so perfect, I was like, oh my god, how can somebody cut a cut how can somebody cut like that style so flawlessly? And the more I saw it, the more I fell in love with it. I wanted to try something different from my maternity shoot and also for my baby shower that is coming up. So I found this hair at the beauty supply. So this is the It's a Wig Verona wig. I have the card right here. So this is a Swiss lace and her name is Verona. Say hey, Verona. Alright, and she is in the color 1B. This is the card. It's the card right there. So yeah, this is by It's a Wig, and I saw this at the beauty supply store. It was on the mannequin. It was actually the last one, so you know I got that good old discount. And when I saw it, I just fell in love with it. So let's talk about this hair. So it's really soft. You can put your hands through all that, no tangles. If you don't comb it, or you don't comb it as you should be combing it, then of course it's going to get tangled. But once you comb it and, you know, put your fingers through, then there won't be any tangles. It did shed a little bit when I first got it out the package. I don't know if that's just once you take it out the box it sheds thing, I don't know, but it did shed a little bit. But it still sheds, but it's not bad. It's not like hunks of hair coming out. It's just like little strands here and there. If you do play with the part, like, you know, tweeze it and all that, then you are going to have a few parts coming out up here. So, you know, just don't be alarmed about that. It just happens because you're removing hair from the part. So it just happens. Like, the cut is just so, it's just so perfect. Like, it's like a perfect razor that just went, and then turn around the back. You turn around the back, you can see it's even in the back as well. So get into the side, so I can get some side angles for you, just like that. Can y'all see? Y'all see? Ah. I call this the Kim K hair because I've actually seen her wear this a lot, and I think Cardi B, I think I saw Cardi B wearing this as well. I saw it a lot and I was just like, oh my gosh, I need to get it. And I got it. I think I want to cut it some more. I think how I want it a little shorter. Like, I want it like right here, because with it being winter and all that and the cold, whenever I put my jacket on, it like gets mushed up in here and stuffed in there. And honestly, I don't like that. That's why I'm not that big of a fan of long bobs. But like for the summer, so like, of course. But I do want to cut it a little bit shorter. So if you think I should, let me know down below. If you think that I should leave it like it is, then leave it down below as well. But if I do it and you tell that I shouldn't do it, don't get mad at me. Y'all know I just like to try something new, so I just want to see how it will look. Obviously it won't grow back but you know, I just want to try something new and see how it will look if it's a little shorter. So we shall see. As you can see with the middle part, I did pluck it. It did not come looking like this, so I plucked it a little bit just so that way it was a little more spacious. And then I added some foundation on there. It has one clip in the back, adjustable straps. I don't think there's a clip in the front. Let me check and see. Oh, sure is. Oh, there are two clips in the front. So it's there's one right here and one right here to secure the hair. So I love it, y'all. Like, I really love it. I love the color. I love the style. I just love how even it is. I think it's a great bob style, and I just love it. Like, I know there are others out there that are really popular. I think there's the Bobby. I don't know, it's like other ones out there, but when I saw this I was like, come here girl, you go home with me. So I really love it. Like I said, my only concern is like the length. I feel like it's too long for me right now, but I like it, but I feel like it could be a little shorter. And also the shedding, there was shedding when I took it out of the box. So other than that, those are my two negatives. But other than that, I just said other than that how many times? other than that. But other than that, I really like this hair, and I really think it's a go. Try to find a link down below, so if you're interested in this hair, you are more than welcome to get it, purchase it, rock it, love it, and all that good stuff. And if you like this hair as well, give me a big thumbs up and let me know down below. And thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace. Maddie.